Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this tutorial episode, we will be learning how to change language on your Reado application using mobile device. If you're looking for a way to change the language setting on Reado, first of all, open the Reado app on your device and log into your account. After you're in the home page of Reado, go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. Inside the profile section, tap on the menu button at the top right. Now click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down and look for App Language option and tap on it. Now, this will take you to your device's settings from where you can change your language. Tap the language option within your device settings and then select any other language you have available. After you do that, you will then be able to change the display language setting on your Reado app as well. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.